Hey Leo, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. This is Vishali. Uh, in this video, I'm going to read your energy for the month of June 2021. Okay, while I pick this, shuffle this energy card, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that, dear Leo. I hope you all are doing good and safe at home in this pandemic. So what is the energy for Leos? Sorry, this wasn't good shuffle. What's the energy for Leos for the month of June 2021? Spirit guides and angels, please guide us. Energy for Leo for the month of June 2021. So here is the spread. I'm going to pull out one card. Okay, so I got two. Right? Yin, Yang and Dotu Spirit. So dear Leo, what with these two energies, see what I'm seeing here is a balance coming to you. A balance of negative and positive energies is coming to you this month. Okay, because we all know that we all are made of the combination of these energies. It is not just we have only one thing. It's both yin and yang energies within us, and this is the card. This energy is what is coming your way this month, where you will seek the balance, where you will attain a balance. At the same time, while you do so, the door to spirit is opening. It's a spiritual energy that is coming your way. This is this month, dear Leo. Okay. Yeah, this is actually a very powerful energy. If I have to tell you, this is a very powerful energy where it opens your heart, where your third chakra actually where your third chakra gets activated. And if you focus on that, if you meditate on your third chakra, you will be able to open yourself for a lot of spiritual energies around, for a lot of spiritual powers around. Okay. So this is such a wonderful, this is actually such a powerful energy, dear Leos, for you this month, where you find yourself, you see, yeah, you are, this energy is opening you to the energies of the cosmos, yeah, to the universal energies, actually, to the supernatural energies, actually, superpower energy, actually, yeah. So that is what I see here, dear Leo. So you will get an opportunity to no before that, I would say, yes, try to meditate as much as possible this month, because when this energy you have, when you have this energy, yin yang, and this energy again, this will definitely help you in understanding, in getting a vision, in getting a clarity on the things that you are holding, or in getting the clarity on many things of your life, you see. And it again connects you back to the spiritual power. So this is such a powerful energy for you, dear Leo. I'm keeping these cards aside. Okay, let us see what the angelic message for you this month, dear Leo. So message for angels for the month of June 2021. Archangels, angels, please guide Leo with the message for the month of June 2021. Yeah, so here we go. I'm going to pull out one card. Yes, magical blessings. Such a powerful energy here. Whatever you are going through, you are being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. So dear Leo, this message is from the angels for you, and so here I see the blessings coming your way. See, you're being assisted by magical fairy blessings, and yeah. So this card, what I'm trying to understand is the relation between this and the door to spirit and magical blessings, where it is opening you to the spiritual energies, and at the same time you are being blessed. Probably this is the blessings from the angels to connect with this spiritual power, to connect with, to open yourself to this spiritual energy, spiritual light coming your way. Sorry. So this is such a again such a strong energy, such a strong blessing, such a wonderful blessing from the angels. What I can see to you, dear Leos, here, magical blessings coming your way, and this is at the same time you are also can bless others too. So yeah, it's like you see, you can also watch one of my video where I have talked about blessings, where I have talked about the power of blessings. There is another video of mine. It's quite an old video where I have talked about blessings, where I have shared that yes, God bless you is such a magical is the three magical words that can actually change our destiny, that can actually change our destiny. And God bless you. If even if you feel something not happening, even if you feel the connectivity is not happening with anyone, and if someone has come to you with wrong emotions, with negative emotions, and with no negative energies and all, you just bless them, bless the person, bless the situation, bless yourself. Keep blessing, keep sharing blessings, because this is we don't have to pay anything for it. The more we bless, the more blessings we get also. So we really don't have to share any, we don't have to no let we don't have to compromise anything here. So just say God bless you, and you see after some time you find that a good relationship where which was not working actually all these days, and now you see the positivity coming in that relationship also, even the positivity coming in your life situations also. So the blessings actually do wonders, dear Leo. We all need to understand this. Blessings always do wonders in our life. So keep blessing, and the same returns to you also. Okay, so this is where this month you are blessed with the spiritual power, and you are blessed by the angels also. Have a good time, make a good time of this, make a good use of this time, I would say, dear Leo. Okay, I wind up this video with this message, and I really wish you good luck, dear Leos. I see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.